Start a surplus store. A lot of people shop at surplus stores to lessen their expenses. Surplus stores sell overstock items and other items that did not pass quality control at the factory but are still in good condition. These goods are sold at cheaper prices. There are a lot of different types of surplus stores that carry goods, such as electronics, clothing, accessories, food, and a lot more. Running your very own surplus store is a good business. You will surely draw many customers and you might also earn a lot from the venture. Here are some helpful tips if you are planning to start your own surplus store. Know what you want to sell. Before putting up your surplus store, you must know what kind of merchandise you want to carry. You can sell electronic parts, clothes, shoes, bags, bathroom accessories, kitchen accessories, and more. If you want, you can also choose to open a surplus store that carries different types of products. This way, you will have more customers. Know where to get surplus items. In order for you to profit from this business, you must know where to get cheap surplus items. It will be good for your business if you have a contact from factories and manufacturers of goods. You might be able to get discounts from them. You can also try getting goods from surplus liquidator websites or excess inventory websites so that you can start collecting the merchandise that you are going to sell. Many of these websites have electronic components, underwater or marine equipment, sporting goods, and even parachutes. Online store or physical storefront. There are two choices that you have when setting up your surplus store. You can opt to run an online business or you can have a physical store where people can actually shop. You can also choose to run both an online store and a physical shop. Business plan. It is good to have a solid plan before engaging in a business. You must know how much capital you are going to need to be able to set up your surplus store. List all of the expenses for the store. By knowing how much you spent in setting up the business, you will be able to set the right price for your goods so that you can get back the capital you spent. When starting up a business, make sure that all the documentation needed from the different government offices are covered. Advertise. This is one of the most important things that you have to do. No matter how good your services and products are, if no one knows about it, there will be no sales. You must promote your surplus store so that you can boost your revenue. This may be done in the form of newspaper advertisements, radio advertisements, or flyers. If you are on a tight budget, You can spread the word by telling your friends and relatives about your new store. You can also advertise by sending an email to all of your contacts. These are some of the tips you can use when you are planning to set up a surplus store. By following these steps, you will surely have a lot of business knocking on your door.